What if you could cut your editing time in half while doubling your creative output? Welcome to Think Big Learn Smart's advanced one-day course on generative AI in Adobe Creative Cloud, specifically designed for professional video editors, producers, government, and teams. Upgrade your already advanced video production work with the most up-to-date AI-powered tools education available. In Premiere Pro, master text-based editing, generative extend, and object manipulation features that streamline post-production. With After Effects, leverage content-aware fill and RotoBrush 2 to create stunning visual effects in a fraction of the time. And in Audition, perfect your audio with AI-driven noise reduction and auto-ducking technologies that deliver broadcast-quality sound. Led by industry-certified experts with decades of real-world production experience, this virtual hands-on training transforms how you approach video creation, saving valuable time while enhancing creative possibilities. Think Big Learn Smart delivers trusted technology training to major government agencies, corporations, and educational institutions nationwide. Don't just keep up with the AI revolution. Lead it.